start again. It's a rich thing.
Out here. We put a hoodie on.
That shit cold as hell, boy.
Nah, but it doesn't feel that cold, right? It's not windy. It just feels wet.
Yeah. So we're in I forgot where we're at. I think we're in Okinawa. Am I tripping? Shit. I think we're in Hakuna. Shit. Look at that. You can tell it's money in there. Oh look. Oh look. The fishes. You can see the smoke coming out of there. Gentlemen. Did you go in there? I dare me to jump in. Huh? Oh shit, boy, get your big ass. Nah, I'm just joking. Hey, bro, we should walk that. Made in Japan, what is that?
I didn't take one of these. What?
You get one of these or
What is it? Alcohol?
huh? That looks cool.
Let me find out.
It's like one of these from my little cousin. Wait, what the hell? Nah, look at this. Fuji guys? Free and easy.
What's the LL? What's Japan with the Oh, it's a 3L. I need 3L?
A 3L?
Yeah.
That's 3X?
I'm not sure.
Yeah. How's my hair looking? Looking like sh. What do you think, brother?
I like that pink one.
I feel like mine is from my cousins. I would say 16 or 15.
That's a US. It's like height, no? Not sure.
I like this one. This shit.
Or should I get one for us like this? Or a medium for us, I know?
What's the plan, boys?
What's the plan? Let's go see Mt.Fuji.
Where do you say we could? Damn, look at a big puff of cloud. Is that a big puff of cloud over there? Am I tripping?
It is.
Wait, where's the hot springs? I'm joking. Or are you trying to see each other butt naked? No, I'm joking.
Probably one of the yeah. You trying to get that
Hey, were you gonna fall off that bus too when you stepped into the middle?
Yeah.
Hey, bro. I did the same exact shit because I thought it was like flat.
Yeah, I thought it was flat.
I stepped down. Wanna go left side?
Yeah, let's see.
Endings. Hot. Hold on. Where? Over there? Oh, I'm not even ready. No, not yet. Where? Is that open? Is that open? That's the open one? Holy shit. You trying to do something?
That's good. This is not.
Hold on. We keep walking down though, just in case.
Let's see how grocery Japan is. We keep going?
Just to look.
There's other options?
Yeah, just in case before we actually like get something.
Yeah. There's been times where you go over here and you get that takoyaki. Over here.
Yeah, strawberries. What is that? Huh?
It's really good.
Oh, good. I think that's good. All right.
After I didn't do like a lamb and chopstick.
Yeah, I got one for me. The 3 L's, but hopefully it fits. That's good. If it doesn't, I'll give it away. I got another one from my little cousin. We're trying to walk in.
This one?
From the bus stop, it.
Actually, that's the food. I know, that's the food, right?
You want takoyaki?
Yeah. You get some food. I mean, we're gonna see Mt.Fuji a little later. He's trying to tell us to go up the mountain. You can see the Mt.Fuji.
That's what crazy. Yeah.
He thought we had all day.
What is that? Nah, it's just- it was pretty nice though. Yeah, the people here are gender and selfish.
Yeah, don't go outside to look for you.
Yeah.
To give you a thing.
America, they just steal you and then walk away. I feel like these are my type of people. Remember, look, that's a thing we saw.
Oh yeah, look.
Like 12,000 yen? Not bad. That's cheap,
I
right?
think we saw. Yeah, 12,000 yen here.
I don't think it's that cold though. To be honest. That shit cold as hell, boy. Hold on, they got beer too. Alright, let's go get some takoyaki. Actually, they have like big sizes.
Yeah, you could.
The triple X?
Yeah.
Chill out.
Oh, but this is Asian triple X.
Oh,
Ron, how do you tell it's Asian?
Let
let me say it's Asian.
Huh?
But yeah. Yeah, they have some fire ass designs though. Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's say how you tell it's Asian.
Oh, bro, what the fuck? I thought you were regular shoes.
Oh, what?
What the heck? That Patrick Star?
Yeah.
At least you could do.
Patrick Star shoe.
Yeah, alright.
This is Patrick's. Oh, that's a Smurf?
They don't have any 13s.
These are US 9.
I love this new
US 9.
That's SpongeBob. What the heck?
Are you gonna ask about those or
We're gonna go somewhere else. We're going back to the favorite store.
Yeah. What's that dog? The dog fish.
You see my phone? Oh, I don't have the internet on. Well, 20% off outlet price.
They're like good. They're not like two.
You get 5 or more items.
It's a 2,700 yen. What is that, like 15? Or
Yeah.
probably like 15 on it.
I kind of want to like look kind of like the dollar form.
Oh, you want like these huge ones?
Yeah, no, these Squishmallow ones. I like kind of like these. Not like kind of like those.
Are you willing to spend 3,000? 300? Actually, not that bad. Well, that's funny.
But that's the egg one. I don't want the egg.
What, you want the egg one?
What about this one? This one's sick. No?
What is the penguin?
Who?
The penguin?
Yeah. Right. Really look how.
Yeah, that's the one I was staring at the whole time.
Oh, that's squishy though.
Cause it's like a. There's a nice color.
You see it? I'll probably go to these. I don't even know what that's for though. It's for babies? That's for babies. They're the babies.
That makes.
What?
See, he's asking if that would fish. I mean, fish. That would fit his luggage. Fish, right? Just fish.
You have to squeeze it down, yeah. Maybe. But see, you get 20% off on them for 5 or more items.
I don't get it. No, man. Hey, do we get like a discount?
This?
No.
Or not, no? Or actually, just check it out.
Where did I put mine?
Wait, do
What
they
would be San Rio?
just on these, huh? I stopped recording me.
Yeah. So they put us to another like shopping outlet. We already explored before we came to Tokyo. Yeah, exactly. It's pretty nice. What the hell for? Freak store? That's fashion right there. That's pretty good right here.
Oh, yeah, they don't got your side.
Yeah, that one by my side.
Oh, it is?
No, no. I don't even know. Let's see.
I don't think they
You know
know
what I'm saying? I don't. Is there like a? Alright, can you hold this real quick? Am I recording? I want to try it out real quick. But as you see. Oh, okay.
I feel like they're not bad.
I feel like this is right here.
Let me look at the back.
I like it. Like I can rock it like this, can I? Like
Yeah, you can rock it like that.
Yeah.
yeah.
YouTuber with Jugo B.
Yeah, right.
Which one are your kind of shoes, bro? Which one are your kind of shoes? Those green ones? Anyway.
Look at the edition. I don't know.
Limited edition.
Oh, they told them.
Oh yeah, it's limited edition, right? That means higher cost.
I don't know. Wait, who's the artist?
You see someone named Kimchi, that means other than the follower, that means like 30K bonus.
Wait, how much?
30K bonus.
Oh, 30K followers?
Yeah, like what the hell? Like, is it an influencer or what?
What the shit they look? What they call
Where do I get?
See. You stand. What? Took it back.
Huh?
So you took it back? I was in a selfie. I was like, well, you just grabbed it. Like, what? Man, you can't see. Yeah. Cold. They gotta walk over there, no? We gotta walk over there, no? See what the fuck they got. Huh?
Dude, they sell umbrellas here? They're trying to get umbrellas now.
Okay. You wanna check downstairs or you wanna go here? Can't even see that Mt.Fuji. Oh, shit. I think, should we wait for Rob? Huh?
You got it, man.
You can't even see the Mt.Fuji thing. Jesus Christ. Let me see. Take it up. Ah, it's cold. Did you find any?
There's a long line, so
A long
if you want,
line.
we could go over there.
We can go down there real quick.
While recording.
I think it takes a picture, but I'm not sure. I think it just did.
Damn, wait, what was the point of? Oh, the point was a cable car, right?
Yeah.
But
Ready? I think it worked.
Does it say capture?
Yeah, it says capture.
It says capture.
Alright, you want to
You
try?
wanna go?
Yeah, I'll go.
You wanna use your phone?
my phone?
Hold on, wait. Let him take a picture. Like, you gotta go. Yeah. You good, Beto? Jesus fucking Christ, it's cold. Guess you should. Oh, shit. So you wanna walk around that way?
Yeah, we can walk around now.
Get that vlog.
Alright. I don't think I'm a good vlogger, dog. I don't think I'm a good vlogger. I don't know how to do it. I don't know the techniques or how to talk. There's a better view right here. Well, I would say view, but
They should give us at least partial refund. They just took us to shopping center.
oh yeah, what the hell?
I could have just went to Burger.
I could have joined the Tokyo Fashion Week.
I just came back from shopping center and said Shibuya.
So I came all the way there. Oh, that's pretty nice, huh? They're doing like construction over there. You can hear that shit.
What can they see? I think that's what smells bad. Or no?
Probably.
Yeah. What is that though? It's like a hot spring type of thing?
I was gonna say, I think the hot springs are over there. Or
How can you like social?
am I tripping? You wanna hit that little souvenir shop?
Huh?
Hit that little souvenir shop?
Where?
Over there? They have black curry bread. What the fuck? Am I tripping?
Hey Danny, you might have to Photoshop the mountain. Like the Mt. Fuji.
I'm about to Photoshop that shit for real. Look at that, it's filled packed with people over here. Should we even go?
Oh look.
By myself. Look at that black egg here. Maybe I'll get that one. Or something. I need to grab something. Oh, sir. Hold on. Wait, I actually might grab that. don't think my mom would like it. I need a beanie. Yo, this one. Por favor. That shit fit or not?
Kind of small, but actually, yeah, it fits. It looks like it's good for your ears. It looks like it fits. It should say "Do not touch." No, no.
Why shit what?
Do not touch.
Should I have like hair? Like in the front of it?
Yeah, like that.
No.
Mirror now.
Set mirror.
But that shit would be warm for your ears.
Pretty warm. Huh?
That black cat. I like the shot. Want to record you?
Yeah.
Does it fit me or no? Yeah, it does. I thought you were looking at Japanese with that.
It looks bigger.
And they took a photo?
Took a photo? You said take a photo. Take a selfie?
I ain't got that black cat.
Nah, I think my head's too big. Homie's meat. I think it's
The Larry's too big to,
oh, yeah.
to make it.
Like I was thinking again this one.
What?
Yeah,
Where you put that at?
at the fridge.
Oh, you're from here?
Or I could put it on the bar.
What bar?
The bar we have at the house.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sleeping masks. Beto, you need those sleeping masks. Yeah, but they look comfortable? I don't think they did. Wait, are they sleeping masks?
Yeah, no.
Oh, yeah.
It's about the truth, boys. 3:45? What's that shit? Remember coming down and Beto dropped his luggage? I
thought Beto was the one falling. Because I was carrying the thing there. You know how it rolled on the one side first and it I just look back and I see the luggage. And the dude behind you was smiling. Like an Asian.
There we go, boys. Finally, the real part of the
I don't think we
tour.
will be able to see Fuji.
How we get on these ships?
Should purchase a special cabin ticket at the first floor shop. We are conducting regular inspections of the Shiba riding list.
You get this one? You want to sit on this flight or go up?
Well, if you wouldn't have let them waiting for it, you would have died. So you wouldn't have been talking to you.
What the heck? Treasure? Oh, life jackets.
Let's go find a seat then.
Oh, what is that? What up?
The regular cabins are located at the rear of the cabin sections of floors 1 and 2, as well as the rear decks of floors 3 and 4. The special cabins
Do we stay outside or no?
part of the cabin sections of floors 1 and 2, as
we
well
stay
as
outside,
the
then
front
we'll be
decks
inside.
of the third floor. Passengers wishing to
Oh, my bad, bro.
special
I mean,
cabin purchase a special cabin ticket.
pretty sick, huh?
We are conducting regular inspections of the ship and terminal facilities as part of our terrorism prevention policy. Please inform the crew immediately if you find any suspicious objects. Please be aware that there are no trash cans on this ship. Furthermore, the entire ship, including the decks, is a non-smoking area. Please refrain from smoking on the ship. Thank you for riding with us today.
Oh, sorry.
Yep.
Record it out real quick.
Take some photos of me.
There's like a duck or something in the water.
It's the lock, the dragon. Yeah. Where are we? Hey, who's that over there? Who's that over there? The lookout?
Oh.
You see him, right? Nani?
Huh?
Is that the lookout?
本日は箱根にお越しいただきまして誠にありがとうございます。
We don't have one.
ご乗船のお客様に船内のご案内を申し上げます。普通避難室は1階と2階の後方船室および3階、4階の後方デッキです。特別船室は1階と2階の前方船室と3階の前方デッキです。 特別船室ご希望のお客様は1階売店で特別船室券をお買い求めください。ただいまテロ防止対策として船内およびターミナル施設の点検を実施中です。不審物などございましたら係員までお知らせください。なお船内はゴミ箱を設置しておりません。またデッキを含め船内はすべて禁煙となります。ご協力お願いいたします。本日はご乗船いただき誠にありがとうございます。
Thank you very much for visiting Hakone. We would like to offer all passengers a brief
Wow.
皆様、ご乗船ありがとうございます。箱根観光船ヒストリー出港です。
Is it?
Oh, that's a pro, right?
Is it back now?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, yeah, it is. Shit, the front's over there then.
Is there another deck to go to? No, right?
本日は箱根観光船ビクトリーにご乗船いただきありがとうございます。本船は桃源台港を出港し箱根町港へ向かいます。航海時間はおよそ25分です。箱根神社へ行かれるお客
Do
様
we
は
have wood to the
そのもう一つ先の港元箱根港が便利です。
Oh, we can.
船内のご案内をいたします。
Huh?
船内はデッキを含め全船禁煙です。
Sorry.
おタバコは電子タバコを含めてお吸いいただけません。
Actually, no, we can't go all the way over there.
お手洗いは
How do you get over there?
1階後方にございます。また船内にはゴミ箱を設置しておりません。出ましたゴミは1階カフェまでお持ちください。それでは
船でのひとときをごゆっくりお過ごしください。
Thank you for boarding the Hakone sightseeing ship today. This ship departed from Tagendo Port. Head to Hakone Machi Port. Sailing time is approximately 25 minutes. For customers going to Hakone Shrine, the other port, Muto Hakone Port, is convenient.
We have to pay for it,
We
no?
will guide you around the ship. Smoking is prohibited in all areas of the ship, including the deck. E-cigarettes are also not allowed. The restroom is located at the rear of the first floor. There are no trash cans on board. Please hand your trash to the staff at
We're going to do the hunter exam.
Yeah. Pretty sick. What? What, you going to the Grand Line or what? Mets over here explaining One Piece to Ron. Oh, he's talking about like the New World and everything?
Yeah, the reason why they call it the New World. That's what they call it, the
I'm cold as fuck.
From the bus. Because it took like 2 hours to get to the first stop. Yeah, it took like another hour, so it's gonna take like 3 hours.
You want to stay outside?
Or what? You want to go inside?
I want to stay around what they have inside. You want to stay
they
there?
probably have no seats. No seats. I'd rather just outside and look at the view though. Yeah, I mean it is cold, but fuck it. I can see Fuji or nothing. Nah, I don't think we can, right? It's too foggy. Yeah, I wish we were up there. We could have probably saw people.
What? You hear that?
Start informing the viewers what they're watching.
Where are we actually? We're crossing the Okeana Lake.
This is called a Hakone ship. I think
So we're on the Hakone ship.
I think this area is called Hakone, I think.
And we're just crossing the lake. We're going to the first stop, innit?
Apparently we're supposed to see Mt. Fuji from like somewhere around here, but this is all like foggy. Like, we ain't gonna see shit. Yeah, I actually like that one the best. I wonder what was the one that got canceled.
It should have been in the mountain because the snow. Because it was like a lot of snow.
It was an
Avalanche? What the?
like we about to ride that. Like on a mountain? Yeah, it was on like a mountain. Like it's too much snow.
We can't power through it. Ow. You go.
Not bad. Alright, ready?
Look at that side almost.
Yeah, because it's all right behind them. Ready? I guess it look nice. Like mansions. Like temples. We can't visit the temples, right? I wanted to. I don't know.
Does it look good real quick?
Yeah. Hey, take a picture of me looking at that.
I'm bro, yeah, damn it, why'd you move?
Oh, there was the other one over there.
Look at the camera. You want one, Ron? That's clean. That's good.
We recreate, let's do Titanic.
You had a second for listen to it. No, dude. So you would. Yeah, my man, freezing. Yeah, hit it with the.
Do the JoJo pose.
It's a song giving you a side eyes. There ain't no Wi-Fi on this shit? No, I'm joking.
The fuck?
The fuck a pirate shit with no Wi-Fi.
I guess. Yeah, what the hell?
You guys were that shit was. That shit, I'm talking about like I mean my scarf, like my scarf, everything was getting snow. Then after that, it was just wet, like sag of wet. That shit was just cold on my neck.
Are you happy with the tour? I'm kind of like half satisfied. Half satisfied. Like not fulfilled.
For real? I like it.
Cause I want to see Mt.Fuji.
the murder. I mean, the murder is kind of good, but yeah, I'm still like.
What corner? This one? Oh, that's
I kind of like it.
Cash me like it for real.
I kind of like the
Just press photo on the Bluetooth. Or hold it on top of the
photo on the Bluetooth.
Ikirakimasu.
Oh, we get start fishing, right? Okay, why can't we just start fishing?
This is the journey of the Grand Line I'm about to take. I quit Val just and achieve the One Piece. I quit Valorant to find the One Piece. then what's his name? Chapo. Then he said he left millions around, or Pablo Escobar. He said he left millions of unknown money, or like unknown. That's a fucking Grand Line right there. Colombia.
I wonder if there's people like actively like looking for like his treasure like every day.
I mean, the beach, yeah. No, they got the metal detectors.
Oh yeah, but I don't think you put it on the beach. I feel like they would have.
Oh, you're talking about like actual treasure?
I'm talking about like Pablo Escobar.
Oh. Or you're talking about like Uncharted type? Hey, give me a picture on the Canon.
I wonder what that is going to do on the That's probably like local.
Try to get a good picture. Make sure you get a good picture.
What would be a good picture like this? Or how? Like this? Try again. Do it again.
Wow. You took a while to
Yeah, do it again. Alright, I think I got it.
Oh, you got it.
I got it.
Ah!
He liked your pose.
Wait, what was his any pose?
He liked your pose.
Yeah.
You took a video?
Yeah, I did. I'm gonna say, my shit about to die quick.